So hey guys, welcome back. So this is Ramath Rajnikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Raja Betting. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about that what is affiliate marketing, what are the platform that is providing the affiliate marketing services, how you will going to start the affiliate marketing, and what are the commission rate that you will going to get. So this all things we will going to see in this particular video. And this video is that there is a person who want to start affiliate marketing with the zero investment, like don't want to be purchased for the website and everything. You want to do the affiliate marketing for the free of cost. This is the best free video for you. So first thing is first we need to understand what is affiliate marketing exactly. So affiliate marketing is nothing but it is a type of marketing where you are going to referring the other person product to your friends or someone else through the affiliate link. When the person who buy that referred product, you will going to get the commission from 1 to 10% of the commissions on the product, whatever the commission is provided by the company, that commission that you will going to get. So this is called affiliate marketing. Hope you understand. So Amazon and ClickBanks and share banks, so there are few of the every company will have the affiliate product. Amazon will have, Google also will have, some other like some other platforms are definitely, Flipkart also we have, and whatever the digital products are provided by the companies, like so that some of the companies are giving the affiliate commission on the referring of their apps and their services. And we will going to see that GoDaddy, it's a GoDaddy, it's a where you can going to be make your website live now. So you can refer the GoDaddy and get the commission from that only. So there are multiple products. When it comes to the technicalities, you will going to have the understanding. So this is an overview. So let's take an example of that. What are the target that you need to be achieved in affiliate marketing? So if you take the example to the Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon is a well-known platform which have the bunch of products. So Amazon website will have the bunch of products where a small pen to even a diamond necklace, like I don't know whether Amazon is providing diamond necklace, but definitely you can refer the any of the product, educational product, technological products, and everything you will going to be referred to anybody and get the commission. So what is the target in Amazon affiliate marketing? So in 180 days, you have in around 180 days, you have to do around 3 sales. Otherwise, your account will be in the process of deactivate. Your account won't be inactive. So that is only the target you need to achieve when it's come to the Amazon. And so okay, till this everything is okay, but when you got an Amazon affiliate link where you will going to share, you won't be able to share the direct affiliate link directly by in the form of the text. You need to do the content creation. Like let's take an example. Like I'm a person, I want to do the affiliate product on the mobile shop. Not mobile shop, on mobile products. I want to do the affiliate marketing on the mobile products. So I will going to do the videos on the top 5 mobiles. I will select it from the Amazon, and I will going to give the brief and the understanding on those products, and I will add the affiliate link on the description. From that you will going to be refer. So this is a free version. So you can going to be write the what you call blog host like host blogging. Host blogging is not host blogging. It's a guest blog. So other website, like there are the few kind of the websites are there. They are going to provide the guest blog where you are going to be write the blog for their company about your product. This is how you will go, and you will going to be do the Instagram reels on the product, and you will be add the link in bio. So that's the thing you can do. So this is all about the affiliate marketing, how you will going to show. Select a niche and refer the link, and from that you will going to get a commission. So when it's come to the practical knowledge of the affiliate marketing, we will going to have lots many questions and answers. So with that, I will going to be end of this video. So thank you. If you have any questions, you can just drop a comment in the comment. Any comment is there, any questions are there, just drop in the comment section. I will do the video on that. And let's start with the practicality of the video. In next video, I will going to be have the practical explanation of the affiliate marketing. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching my video.